If you're looking for an easier way to water your lawn without the headache of installing an in-ground system and all those pipes that go with it, or going to the expense of having it done for you, Rainbird may just have the solution with the performance of an in-ground system and the convenience of a Quick Hose Connect. In this video, I'll show you how to install this quick solution in just a matter of minutes. Now, even though I have in-ground irrigation through most of my yard, it doesn't reach everywhere, and I'm not ready to part with more money to expand my system, and I certainly don't have the time to do it myself. But thankfully, Rainbird has the perfect compromise. Their ClicknGo Hose Connect system is a permanent in-ground system that simply connects to a garden hose, and then you just turn the water on, make the adjustment, and then you have precise irrigation for the entire season. Let's get this one installed. These in-ground sprinklers install in just 3 easy steps. Dig a small hole, place the sprinkler, and backfill the dirt. That's all you need to do to enjoy precise watering and green results. So anytime you need water, just click and go. And when you disconnect the hose, in-ground sprinklers retract out of sight so you can mow over it. Rainbird's in-ground sprinklers reach up to a full circle range of 80 feet, perfect for average lawns. You can even add more in-ground sprinklers to cover additional areas of your lawn. Installing a permanent lawn watering system has never been so easy and affordable.